Hi, this is Kaisar from Active SEO Feed. In the first video, I have showed you how to connect Google Analytics 4 with your e-commerce website through Google Tag Manager. Now it's time to step forward. But if you missed the previous video, please watch that video first, otherwise you will not be able to understand this lesson. Okay. Today we will measure the view item event. View item event means when the visitor view a product or item. This is called view item event, and we will gradually watch view item, view cart, and purchase, begin checkout event. So when a user click or browse a product page or product, then the event is called view item. And Google requires some variable for this, that is currency items value from the data layer. For this, you have to first enable the data layer of your website. For enabling the data layer, just go to plugins, install plugins, and GTM for WP settings, then integration, and click WooCommerce. Then just click track e-commerce, then customer data in data layer, order data in data layer, and use SKU instead of ID and click save changes. After enabling data layer, you have to check it by clicking the preview button from the Google Tag Manager. Then click connect. Make sure you have put the correct URL in the debug page. Okay. In the left side, you have to follow the event. Click continue. Okay, the Google base tag has been fired. That's fine. Now, if I visit an item, look here, the view item event was fired. That means our data layer has been enabled successfully. Now click the view item and click the data layer. You will get the value from here, and Google is asking for the value currency. Currency is under the JavaScript object. Anyway, this is the JavaScript code, JavaScript object e-commerce, and this is the currency, and Google wants items in array format. So here item is in array format, e-commerce.item, and the value is 99. So let's create it. So go to Google Tag Manager. First of all, we should create a trigger when the tag will fire. Actually, the tag will fire actually when the event name will be view item. Event name will be view item. You have to exactly copy this event name and create new trigger. Here you have to put trigger name, that is GA4 view item trigger. You can use any name here as per your convenient, but this is my easiest way to naming in this way. Okay, GA4 view item trigger, and here it will be custom event, and the event name should be view item. Okay, now click save. Then we have to create the three variable data layer variable so that we can pass it to Google Analytics. So for doing this, we have to go to Tag Manager and variable, and user defined variable, click new, then give it a name DLV, that is data layer variable GA4. Anyway, for saving time, I am copying from here DLV GA4 e-commerce items, and the variable type is data layer variable, and the variable name is e-commerce dot item. E-commerce dot item means this items is a member of e-commerce object, so we can access it by e-commerce dot items. Okay, so here data layer variable name e-commerce dot item. Let's click save. We have to create another variable that is for currency, so click new again under user defined variable, the variable name, then variable type should be user defined. Where is user defined? User defined values, sorry, it will be data layer variable, and the value should be e-commerce dot currency, e-commerce dot currency, because we have to access it e-commerce dot currency. Okay, save. And the last one is value, that is the price of the items. So in the tag manager, click new, variable name, variable type, data layer variable again, and in this time it will be e-commerce dot value, e-commerce dot value. Okay, now click save. Now it's time to create the tag. So go to tag and create new tag, name it GA4 view item tag, and tag configuration, it will be Google Analytics event, and measurement ID, we have already created a variable in the previous video, that is GA4 measurement ID. Event name should be view item. You have to be careful about this name. If you make any mismatch, it will not work. And the trigger is GA4 view item trigger, and here it asked for three parameters we have already created earlier. We have to pass it here as event parameter, add. We have three parameters. So first parameter is asking currency, and here currency, and the currency value is under DLV GA4 e-commerce currency. Then items, you have to exactly follow this naming. This is constant in this case. You are not allowed to make any mismatch. Okay, here items DLV item, and the last one is value here, value, and the value is DLV e-commerce value. Okay, now click save. Everything looks fine, and submit. Edit view item tag. Okay, now I am closing the debug and clicking the preview again, and you have to check the website URL. then connect. Okay, mm, some event has been fired, and here GA4 base tag has been fired, but view item tag has not been fired yet because I haven't viewed any item yet. So now click this item and look. View item tag has been fired, and here is the view item and variable DLBGA for currency USD items. This item name leathercase iPhone 15. Okay, value should be 230, and currency should be USD. Where is the currency? USD. Okay. After doing this, you have to check from Google Analytics debugger also. For doing that, you have to go to admin section from Google Analytics and then debug view, and look here, it is showing the view item event has been fired. Click it here, then currency USD, then currency value 230, and the okay, and the item should be here iPhone 12 Pro case. Okay, so in this way you can check it. If you are new to my channel, then click the subscribe button, which will inspire me, and if you face any problem, you may write a comment in this video. Also, if you need any help regarding digital marketing or web analytics or web development related work, you can hire me. You will find my contact details in the description of this video. Thank you.